Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about muscles. Muscles are of two types. First I will ask you a question. I will give you the answer at the last and then I will tell you the types of muscles. The question is, what if there were no tendons in our body? And will we be able to move them? What are tendons? Tendons are the stretchy bands present between our muscles and the bones, which attach the muscles from the bones to help the muscle pull the bones. Now muscles are of two types, voluntary and involuntary. First we will learn what are muscles and something that some people don't know, that muscles can only pull, they cannot push. So at least two muscles are needed to move a bone. If two muscles were not there, then I would only be able to pull it up, not down, or only down, not up. So muscles are two types, voluntary and involuntary. Voluntary muscles are the muscles which are in our control and we did not need to focus that much and we can move it by ourselves with our choice. But non-voluntary muscles are muscles that does not need a command and actually voluntary muscles need a command but non-voluntary didn't. But if we give them command, then also we can control them a little only. Mostly they move independently. The voluntary muscles. There are many voluntary muscles in our body. Like when I move my leg, then our voluntary muscles work. When I move my arm, and this also, our voluntary muscles only work. So in this, I know more about arm, so I will tell you about arm. See, it is the diagram of the arm. Here are two muscles, biceps and triceps. And these are the bones. It's a joint. Okay? So, bicep. This is bicep, which is at the upper part, and when it contracts means pulls the bone here. Then see arm wrist. When the triceps contracts and pulls this bone, arm is straight and like this only it happens. But when the triceps contract and pulls it, the biceps relax. Like see here, the biceps had contracted and stretched this bone and pulled this bone. So arm is raised and it is in our control that we have to pull our arm up or down. That's why biceps and triceps are voluntary muscles. Now involuntary. There are many involuntary muscles like the muscles in our stomach, heart and many more. But our heart is a special kind of involuntary muscles which are cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscles are special strong muscles which help our heart work throughout the lifetime without stopping even if we are sleeping. And now the answer of the question which I told you, that we will not be able to move because no tendons were there. See, these darkened parts are tendons. So no tendons are there. What will happen? The bicep will move but it is not in contact with bone. So it will move but the bone will not move. That's why no movement will happen. And thus we will not be able to move. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel.